Hello friends, this is my leaf template and so I'm just going to trace it. Doesn't need to be exact, just give some guidelines and pretty soon it will turn out into an autumn leaf. Okay, I'm going to do another one here before using my watercolors. They will be yellow, red and blue. Of course, you know yellow and blue makes green, and if you add a touch of red to the green, it becomes brown. If you use too much water, then you can always take a paper napkin and get some color off. Mix the yellow. I think it gives a nicer, more brighter green if I use this blue. A little mossy, but might be just right. Now I'm just going to clean the brush, put a little water where the yellow is. And don't forget, watercolor dries much lighter than when it's wet. Little too much paint and water here. Making some brown, adding red to the green. I think I'll add a little sea salt to make the texture a little different. I'm going to wet the other leaf. It will be much thinner from the first one. I'll start with brown. I'm going to paint each leaf individually. It will look more painterly. I used much too much water, so let's take some off. Of course, you have more control on this second one. The more often I go over, the more velvety it will look. While the second leaf is going to dry some more, I will do some detail work here, like make a nice sharp edge. Now I will be back in 5 minutes and put the finishing touches on the second one. I like the fun to witness how it turns out at the end. And here I have more, I can make my decisions what I want better. I would like to see which one you like better, the more painterly one like this, or the impulsive one, I call it, like this one. I hope you had a fun time and I see you again. Ciao for now.